Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Oyikey Microneedle Patch review. Scam or legit? Today, we're reviewing the Oyikey Microneedle Patch, a product claiming to aid weight loss and blood sugar control using painless microneedles. It supposedly delivers semaglutide, a GLP-1 receptor agonist, offering a non-invasive alternative to injections and promises results like losing 16 kilograms in 8 weeks without side effects. But is it legit? Let's find out. Several red flags raise doubts. The claims are unrealistic. There's no credible evidence that semaglutide works via microneedle delivery, and endorsements from institutions like Stanford remain unverified. On top of that, the users report raw products and refund issues. Checking Oyikey.com on Scam Detector shows a very low trust score of 12.1 out of 100, and Scam Advisor's rating isn't much better. Another site selling Oyikey products, Merator.com, scores only 62 out of 100, far lower than trusted retailers like Amazon, which rate near 100. Final verdict: while the idea is interesting, the Oyekey microneedle patch lacks solid science and shows multiple red flags. Always research carefully and consult professionals before trying products like this. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.